welcome to my channel. We will be working on exercise number 16 today. I'm going to start by drawing a line from somewhere on the screen up to 55 in X direction, and in positive Y I'm going to go 45. And then I'm going to make it a rectangle. Press escape. I'm going to offset this line by 27.5. I'm going to type 27.5, press enter, click on this line, pick it up and drop it off in the middle, press escape. And I'm going to need to offset this one right now by 22.5. So I'm going to go ahead and click on offset, type 22.5, enter, click on this line and pick it up and drop it off. I'm going to press escape. I need a circle with a diameter of 16. So I'm going to use the center diameter command. For circle, type 16, enter. And then I'm going to delete these lines because I don't need them anymore. This one right here. This one I'm going to need. So I'm going to keep that. And then I'm going to need two circles on the same line with the diameter of 6. One of them is 45 from here to here. So I'm going to press on offset, type 45, enter, click on this line and drop it off right there. One of them is 10 from here to here. So I'm going to press offset again. If I don't, it's going to do another 45. I'm going to need a different amount. So I'm going to have to press escape, press on offset again, and this time type 10. Enter. Right there. Escape. And the diameters of these circles are going to be 6. So center diameter again, click on that. Click where the center is supposed to be. Type 6. Enter. Press on copy. Copy this circle. Press enter. Pick it up from the center. And drop it off right where the center of the second circle is supposed to be. Press escape. Now I need to offset this line by 35. So I don't need this one anymore. And I don't need this one anymore. I'm going to delete those. I'm going to go ahead and do an offset of 35. Enter. Offset that by 35. And I'm going to click escape. Do another offset by 10. Enter. Right there. And I need a line of 15 from here to here. And one line of 15 from here to here. So this time I'm going to click on offset. Type 15. Enter. Pick this up from here to here. And once pick it up from here to here. Notice how I didn't have to click on offset again because it was by 15 on both sides. So I didn't need to re-click on the offset key again. I'm going to press escape. The center diameter, the diameter of these circles is going to be 9. So I'm going to use the center diameter again. Click on here. Type 9, enter. I'm going to copy this, press enter, pick it up from the center, drop it off where the center of the next one's going to be. Escape. And I'm going to erase these lines because I don't need them anymore. Delete on the keyboard. I just noticed I deleted one of the circles. I didn't need to delete that. In order to go back to it, this is a good exercise. I'm going to press on Control Z, brings everything back. Now I'm going to delete. So each time you press Control Z, you can go back to where you were. So no worries if you by mistake erased something. All right, there we have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next exercise.